Welcome to a new video where we'll tackle a common problem that macOS users might encounter. So, imagine you're working on Xcode 1.3.1 on macOS 10.14.6, and you find that Xcode is stuck in an endless loop creating keychains. It's creating keys in new keychains and in a logged-in keychain simultaneously. Frustrating, right? You end up with a cluttered Keychain Access UI, and deleting them one by one isn't exactly a thrilling prospect, especially with Xcode possibly continuing the madness. You've tried deleting keychains from disk, but it didn't touch the Keychain Access database. So, the problem here is how to clean up these keychains efficiently without going crazy. Now, let's dive into the solution. The magic lies in using a simple script. Just loop through the list of keychains you want to delete, and run the security delete keychain command for each. Check out the security1 main page for more details on the command. This script essentially helps you get rid of those pesky keychains and declutter your Keychain Access UI. Easy, right? Problem solved. To recap, we've addressed the annoying issue of Xcode creating unnecessary keychains in an endless loop. By using a straightforward script, you can now efficiently delete these troublesome keychains and tidy up your Keychain Access. Remember, keeping things organized always pays off in the long run. So, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.